2013 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, ABS 4-wheel, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, premium sound system, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.